me. Okay, today is a nice day. I just got home from work. I don't have much to say, but yeah, I am watching currently on Netflix series. I teach you a lesson. I just watched 5 episodes and I loved it. After so long, no, something is coming up. Like it's not a romance, but it's something I feel like everyone should watch. Really watch. It's nice. I'll comment about it when I finish total watching, but today I'm gonna say it's nice. I do love it, and I hope you will love if you watched it. So please watch. And regarding books, I'm still on that icebreaker because, as I said, I didn't get time to finish it. If I try to read it, someone is come asking me something, and I lost my flow. So yeah, that's it for today. See you tomorrow. Bye.